Tapes and Specialties is a tape manufacturer and specialty converter with over 42 years of experience. Our massive 150,000 square foot state-of-the-art facility is located in North Brunswick, New Jersey. We offer a full spectrum of converting capabilities and end-to-end manufacturing solutions for our customers. Here's a look at some of our bulk inventory or jumbo rolls. ProTape stocks $5 million worth of jumbo rolls and finished goods inventory. This means faster response times for our customers and ability to meet demand for both standard and non-standard size products. We also have one of the largest stocking inventories of log and pony rolls from all major manufacturers. ProTape's facility is FDA Registered and ISO 9001 certified. We follow strict quality guidelines to ensure the highest quality products. We often partner with national retail brands to produce their finished product lines. Our high-volume slitting department consists of 10 wide web slitters with the ability to slit up to 79-inch widths, some with fully automated inline wrapping and packaging equipment. ProTapes also has 4 fully automated lathe slitters with ability to slit large outer diameters up to 28 inches. We offer finished goods on all 3 industry standard core sizes and pride ourselves in minimizing waste, far exceeding our customers' expectations. Here's a look at one of ProTape's essential slitters, our G&A RS240 fully automated wide web slitter. It's reliable, fast, and we've produced millions of rolls of tape on it. A more robust slitter, our G&A FA300 wide web slitter, includes an automated inline open core shrink wrap and robotic packaging station. Let's take a look at the process. Bulk material is loaded and computer program is set. From there, the automated process will continue without additional interaction. It starts with cores automatically loaded and aligned on a spindle. Then material is reverse wound onto the cores and slit to spec. Finished rolls come out quickly and are sorted and sent onto the next station for shrink wrap. ProTapes offers many variations of wrapping and packaging to suit any customer's needs. This run shows an open core shrink wrap option. This type of wrapping leaves the inner core exposed with a tight clear wrap around the product. The wrapped product then moves through the automated packaging line where it's stacked in boxes, sealed, and ready to ship, all on a single converting machine. With several of these state-of-the-art slitters, ProTapes has capacity to slit very high-volume jobs. In custom applications, 2 substrates may need to be laminated together. For instance, as we see here, a non-adhesive foam can be laminated to a pressure-sensitive adhesive coating so that the finished foam has an adhesive backing. This allows our experts at ProTapes to select the perfect adhesive with qualities we know will best suit your needs. These custom combinations are often the solution for manufacturers with special requirements for a foam or adhesive needed in their manufacturing process. Special tension controls allow us to run jumbo rolls with poor coat weight profiles which would otherwise tear. ProTape's ALS lathe slitters are fully automatic and ideal for narrow width and long length slitting or other instances when rewind slitting isn't an option. Here, a lathe slitter is shown producing rolls with an outer diameter of 28 inches and only a ½ inch wide. Our programmable PC allows our operators to slit multiple widths from a single log roll, allowing our customers to purchase smaller minimums or non-standard sizes. ProTapes has a variety of lathe slitters and blade types to meet any job requirements for specialty slitting. Here's another of our G&A FA300 automated wide web slitters. This one with an integrated solid core roll wrap and automated roll label applicator. It can slit multiple widths on a single run and capable of producing both 1½ inch and 3-inch inner diameter cores. It's also equipped with a fully automatic double-coated tabber for linered or non-pressure sensitive adhesive materials. The solid core roll wrap encloses the entire roll, including the core, so that a label can be applied. Heat is used to finish the wrapping process and form a tight seal of protection around the roll. Finally, a label is automatically applied and the product is ready to be boxed and shipped. ProTape's foam skiving units give us the ability to take a thicker foam and skive it to the correct thickness for custom requirements and customer specification. In other instances, skiving can be used in medical applications to remove the skin from a layer of foam. ProTape's Preco flatbed punch die cutters are used for thicker materials with tight tolerances that cannot be achieved with a rotary die. Here we see thick foam being cut into detailed shapes that will be used in a manufacturing process. We work closely with equipment manufacturers to design custom die-cut foams or adhesives needed for their processes. ProTape's small order department uses our narrow web slitters to fulfill smaller orders. These machines are also great for slitting narrow widths at a tight tolerance. We can cut as narrow as 6 millimeters by using rotary die slitting blades. Here, it's shown slitting 1/4-inch widths. Rotary die cutting has a much higher output than flatbed die cutters, making rotary a much more cost-effective option. Here, we see a specialty rotary die cutter. Material quickly passes over the steel die and is cut to shape with the waste automatically removed. We can produce specialty parts in individual pieces or individual pieces butt cut on a roll. ProTapes also has inline dry edging capability. This process removes a small amount of material from each edge to create a finished product whose liner is wider than the material, making it extremely easy to remove during application. Flexo printing is a fast-paced modern version of a printing press, which allows us to custom print most materials up to 12 inches wide. We often print tape for our customers, such as custom packaging tapes or other tapes with industry-specific messages. Here's a look at our G&A RT800 Specialty Wide Width Slitter. Its automatic blade positioning allows us to slit a single jumbo roll to multiple widths. Once the blades are set, the cores are positioned with laser-guided accuracy. This slitter is now ready for its run. We typically use this machine for narrow widths and long lengths, as shown in this video. A look from the reverse side shows the bulk material being reversed wound into the slitter. When the run is complete, this RT800 slitter is equipped with an automated offloader, making it fast and efficient to get ready for another run. Right next to this high-volume slitting department is our finished goods inventory and order processing departments. ProGaff is our flagship product, used globally as the most recognized name in gaffer tape. But in addition to ProGaff, ProTapes manufactures and stocks thousands of other products. We keep a huge stocking inventory of finished goods ready to ship with fast turnaround. Our order picking and processing department uses industry-leading software and practices to ensure accuracy and conform to our tight quality guidelines. ProTape's commitment to quality is carried throughout our organization. Our sales and customer service teams are dedicated to your satisfaction. Thanks for watching this virtual tour of our converting capabilities.